So the craziest thing happened. I normally park my Tesla Model Y in the garage. My wife was parked in the driveway though, so I parked it out front in the house, and basically it was, like 70-degree day, so not super hot, and walked outside in the morning and boom, had a huge, probably like 12 to 24 inch crack on my windshield of my Tesla Model Y. It just spontaneously cracked and I had no idea why. Checked the Sentry footage from my Tesla and there was nothing, and no damage. I really was kind of like going crazy thinking what it might be. Luckily, I had this good black view dash cam installed, and it records at all times since it's connected to the battery, and I was able to see that basically just a spontaneous crack developed just instantly like that. And so I'm going to take it to Tesla and I'm going to see if my insurance will cover it. But yeah, kind of crazy. So make sure you have that dash cam so you know what's going on. I'll leave a link down below to check out the dash cam and buy it on Amazon, or let me know what you recommend and if anything like this has ever happened to you. But yeah, pretty crazy.